I am Dr. Sadia Tabassum, Head of the Department of Commerce and Management. Education plays a very important role. By having quality education or a proper education, a higher education, women, has that option for herself. Teachers have an individual attention to the students. They actually know what is DPOL only after they step out of DPOL. Yes, education plays a very important role in anyone's life, no matter it is a man or a woman. Yes, of course, women will become more independent financially, and she will not have to depend on her parents or on the family or life partners. So by having quality education or a proper education, a higher education, women has that option for herself to choose her career and be independent and not be a burden on anybody. Of course, women in management, maybe professionally you can see them, but still management is there in women right from the day they are born in the home. They manage their homes, they manage their families, they manage their workplace, and of course we can find them in dominating positions and top positions in every field, even including management, commerce, accounts, everywhere. Yes, again what I told about women in management, definitely we can see a lot of women entrepreneurs coming up in the past, in the present, and I'm sure in future also we will have a lot of women entrepreneurs. And yes, women are born creative. They have a lot of creativity and innovation, and that is what an entrepreneur's qualities are. So definitely we will have more women in the entrepreneurship world. A very small community, and teachers have an individual attention to the students. We can focus one-to-one. We not only help them in academics, we also have extra classes during their exams. We help them. We have mentoring programs. So even if the student is not there for a day or a class, we have a track as to where is he, what is he doing, why is he not attending in the class. So this might not happen in a college of a big crowd wherein you have 80-90 students, and you would be least bothered as to how many have attended and not attended. So here, though it is a small community, it has advantages. Sometimes yes, students would require a large number, but still at the end when they are graduating, they are very happy to be here. They miss their college, they miss their professors, and they actually know what is DPOL only after they step out of DPOL. Yes, that is what, when students think that when their schooling is over, when they come to college, there is nobody to question, right? They feel that they have that freedom. But here, yes, we give them freedom, but at the same time, when it comes to academics, we see to it that they are on track. So we impart quality education. We have qualified teachers, and then we actually, as I told you, the strength is less. We go around the students, look into their notes, we see whether they are writing or not. Even if they are absent, we make sure that whatever is missed is written. So that is how we are not missing out on any of the student, and at the same time we are completing our portions on time and preparing the students well in advance for the exams. See, as a head of the department, I want our department, not only my department but my college, to be on top always. I want DPOL to be recognized as one of the best colleges in the town, in state, and in future in India also.